Since its discovery in 1909 by paleontologist Charles Walcott, over 60,000 unique fossils have been found. The Burgess Shale was once an active marine ecosystem during the Cambrian period. It sheltered the most diverse group of organisms. The Cambrian period marks an important point in the history of life on Earth. It is the time when most of the major groups of animals first appear in the fossil record. This event is sometimes called the Cambrian explosion, because of the relatively short time over which this diversity of life forms appear.
It was located on the coast of Laurentia, the landmass of North America. During the Cambrian period, Laurentia was located near the equator. The climate was warm and there was no continents located at the poles. Therefore, there was no collection of ice.
The sea level was higher than it is today, and many parts of North American continent were underwater. During this time, the Burgess Shale was an algae reef that was located at the bottom of the hill. Mudslides occurred and encased many species in the thick mud.
The dominant fossils found at the Burgess Shale are soft-bodied arthropods, but other fossils are found in great abundance, including worms, trilobites, crinoids, unicellular chordates, and other organisms with no mineralized shell. What makes the Cambrian period so different for the organisms is that they started developing skeletons. Most fossils were found in underwater banks known as phylloped beds.
The age of these rocks are calculated using a type of relative dating method called biostratigraphy, which is the study and categorization of rock strata based on their fossil content and distribution.
You know I said it's true. I can feel the love, can you feel it too? I can feel it all around. I can feel it.
The site where the Burgess Shale fauna was originally found in the Wilcott Quarry is now a part of the Canadian Rocky Mountain chain within the Yoho National Park. The Canadian Rocky Mountains has both anticline and syncline folds. The Rocky Mountains were created mainly by thrust faulting. The continental plate movement and collisions during the period generated pressure and heat, resulting from folding, faulting, and crumbling of rock in the formation of large mountain ranges. However, today, the parks experience cool summer to subarctic conditions where temperatures range from 30 degrees Celsius in the summer to negative 30 degrees Celsius in the winter.
Many of them appear to be early ancestors of higher forms, from algae to the chordates, a major group of animals that include human primates. Others appeared unrelated to any living forms and their later disappearance presence in the mystery.
I can feel it all around. I can feel it all around. Yeah, you know I said it's true. I can feel it.